I have seen so many things in my life. I have seen 10, 12 prime minister. I worked with them. As a MP, I have seen them from the front. But I have not seen, I'm not talking about prime minister, but who is now acting prime minister. Sorry, may I repeat? Who is acting prime minister of this country? I don't know. Somebody told me there are some students. So may I ask you, who are? BJP can reply that question. I will tell him, take care for border. Instead of taking care for communal rights and trying to create nuisance or... There are so many words. Ar koto bolbo? Try to be honest, sincere and responsible and reasonable. When you are in the chair, you cannot divide the people. This may be your one food may be digestible to one, but it may not be digestible to another. এটা স্বামী বিবেকানন্দকে কোট করে বললাম।